Properly tuning your disc brake is essential for optimal performance and safety. Start by checking the disc brake pads. Make sure they have enough material left and are not excessively worn or damaged. If needed, replace the brake pads before proceeding. Squeeze the brake lever and observe the action. It should feel firm and responsive without touching the handlebar grip. If it feels soft or mushy, the brake cable may need bleeding. Move towards the caliper and see if the caliper is attached properly and responding to the lever. Gently move the caliper left or right to check its alignment and ensure the brake pads sit evenly on both sides of the disc rotor. In this case, the caliper has loosened up along with the brake cable and needs tightening. First, tighten the brake action arm by squeezing the caliper holding the cable by hand. And then, while holding the brake lever gently, tighten the caliper mounting bolts using the same Allen key. This will center the caliper over the rotor. Double check the alignment to ensure the brake pads are equidistant from the rotor on both sides. Before your final adjustments, give the brake a quick test. Apply the brake lever, making sure the pads engage smoothly and do not squeal or make unusual noises. There you have it, fellas. Following these steps, you can adjust the rear disc brake on your bicycle for better performance and safety.